here. We made it all the way to Virginia now. So we drove from Florida to Virginia, and it's cold, but I was scared, guys. I was scared that I was kind of thinking it was gonna be like too cold, but it's fun. It's nice. It's festive. So I'm just gonna get a sandwich now. We had McDonald's. It was so good. The fries were amazing. I haven't had McDonald's fries in so long. They were so good. So and I got my new Michael Kors on that I got from Nordstrom Rack. So I absolutely love it. It's got the faux fur. So I'm ready, guys. I'm ready for the cold. It's not that bad. It's cold out, but it's fun. So I'm gonna go get a sandwich now. I think I'm gonna get maybe like a turkey sandwich or something at Subway. So I'll see you guys later.
I can't believe it, but I am back in my beauty room. Some of you probably have never even seen this place before. If you haven't been around for a while, this is my beauty room. I know it looks a hot mess right now, dolls, because I have been away for, I can't even believe it, but it's almost half a year, 6 months. My husband has just been having me just all over the country. So I'm finally back home, guys. I'm so happy, and I gotta tell you, I just can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm looking around, so I'm like, I just can't believe it. I got a whole thing of brushes here. I have so many brushes. This is just a handful. Because I've just been like living out of my little makeup bag, you know. But oh my god, I'm so happy. You have no clue. But guys, I gotta tell you another thing. When I got home, look at this ColourPop slide. I actually thought that ColourPop had taken me off of their PR list because I hadn't heard from them, and you know, I saw that they had come out with so many collections, and I hadn't heard from them, or I didn't, you know, because I didn't think of it, but I figured they would write me first or something. I don't know, but I just didn't think of it. I've been so, you know, all over the place. But anyway, so I figured, like I said, they took me off of, I'm doing my makeup, guys, because I can't, I'm so happy to be home with my makeup again. But, guys, I got home, there was like so many packages from ColourPop. There was like 20 packages. So I can't believe it. Wait till I show you guys. I was gonna unbox it with you guys, but it was too many. And then I got the idea. I said, girl, we're gonna have a huge holiday giveaway now, because I got so much stuff. So I think I'm gonna do like a giveaway every day now this week, or at the very least I'm just gonna have a few huge giveaways, because they sent me so much stuff, guys, and I said I'm just gonna put together a really nice, beautiful big bundle and give it away to you guys, you know, for a huge holiday giveaway. So, and I'm gonna pick the winner very soon, so you get it before, you know, before the holidays are over. So I'm gonna pick the winner like this. Oh, look at how gorgeous this is. Wait till I show you. They sent me the two Disney collections from ColourPop, a whole bunch of stuff. I actually just filmed a whole thing and it got erased. Okay, that's why sometimes it's a bad idea to film with the iPhone. But anyway, I was telling you guys, I'm gonna show you. I don't know if I told you this already, but I got a huge giveaway that I put together downstairs. I'm gonna pop in every day this week pretty much, and have huge surprises for you guys. One of the surprises, this is not today's giveaway, but this is gonna be for tomorrow. I'm gonna put something special together. I have this gorgeous Coach backpack. It is authentic from the Coach store, so it is, you know, it's not a Fugazi. So here it is. It's gorgeous. It holds a ton. Has padded shoulders. So this is for tomorrow's giveaway. So check back tomorrow. And I'm going to be posting that, and I'm going to put together a bundle, and I'm going to be posting everything on my Instagram too. I'm going to take a picture so you can get extra entries and tag a friend. So right now we're going to go down into the other room, and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm so excited, guys, to be back with my makeup, playing with my makeup. So I haven't seen any of this makeup in so long. This is the Huda matte and metal shadows. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy to be back in my beauty room with my makeup, because like I was saying before, I just have my little bag with me of whatever, and I've just been you know, I didn't have all my fun, you know, playtime stuff, all the fun stuff. So look at that. Oh my god. And wait till I show you guys. I was gonna unbox everything from ColourPop. I think it is just too much, so I'm gonna have a big giveaway. I can't wait. I'm going to show you today's giveaway though. So let me take you guys into the other room where I laid everything out for you dolls. So, come on, let's go. Hey beauty, I'm right about to post another giveaway. This is a surprise pop-up giveaway. So the other one is still going on, but this is a new one. I'm gonna probably have one every day this week. I'm gonna be giving away humongous prizes every day this week. But in this giveaway today, you're going to get all of this good stuff. This amazing colored rain, OPI polishes, skincare, jewelry, all kinds of amazing stuff. Anastasia, ColourPop, Scentbird. That is a Philosophy perfume. These are so amazing. These are super bougie skincare, and this is actually like I think $100 and something just for this one cleanser. So let me show you guys here. Wait till you see the bottle. It's gorgeous. So I've been saving this for you guys, but this is an amazing cleanser. And then it's like, actually it could be actually more than $200. And then here is a firming eye serum from the same company. Amazing. There's just so much great bougie. Tomorrow I'm gonna have another giveaway. We're gonna be giving away a Coach bag, so check back tomorrow. And these are Banana Republic sunglasses, more jewelry. So all of this is in today's giveaway. Comment below, tag a friend, comment below that you'd like to take part. Bluetooth power speakers, this adorable little purse, so much stuff. Private Society Cosmetics palette. Oh my god, there's just too much here to resist. So comment below if you'd like to take part. We'll be picking one up very soon. So here's just some of the ColourPop goodies that I was sent. I'm just so grateful. I just can't even believe it. But they sent so much. Their new, well, this is, I'm not sure if this is new, but I don't believe I have this color. But this is the Shimmering Dry Oil, which I'm obsessed with. And then look at this, guys. They have this little gift set of all of the different mini Shimmering Dry Oil kit. This will make such an amazing gift. There's so much. Oh gosh, guys, they sent the Becky G ColourPop collection, so I'm gonna have a look with this soon. I'm so excited, guys. I can't even believe it. I really thought I was taken off the PR list, like I had said before, but they have this body powder. I can't wait to try. Did you guys try this yet? I have not tried it yet. It's their Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid creamy concealer, so these are going to be super hydrating with the hyaluronic in it. Oh, I just can't believe it. There's just so much here. Oh my god, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Look at their lashes. These are new lashes that they came out with. Oh my god, look at the packaging, leopard print, and oh my god, they look absolutely phenomenal. I can't wait. I'm gonna definitely have a video soon. I just have to get, you know, all my, you know, everything's unpacked and whatnot. But oh my god, this is a lip. Don't you love the Mexican print? I can't even get over that. And then look at this, guys. This is something new from ColourPop. These are nail stickers, nail art decals. I gotta tell you, these nail art decals are so unbelievable. You just pop them on and your nails are done, and they last for weeks. It's insane. I'm gonna show you guys in a video. I've been wearing the sparkly ones that I've been wearing recently are nail stickers. Nail stickers are crazy. And then they came out with these. With the leopard. I can't wait. I think I'll wear these. I don't know. Which one should I wear first, guys? The burgundy color with the roses or nude but leopard. I can't decide. But oh my god, they sent these gorgeous palette. Wait till I show you guys this palette. This palette is so beautiful. Wait till I show you guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just on my iPhone, but look at this. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna seriously burst into tears. This is the Tiana bundle from the Disney Down in New Orleans collection. Oh my god, I'm gonna make videos, guys. You know, I just want to pop in today though and so this is the Midnight Masquerade palette from ColourPop. Isn't it just absolutely stunning? I can't wait, especially this colors, these gorgeous shimmers, but that green shimmer, I would definitely love to do a holiday look with that. So be on the lookout. I'm going to be posting all of this soon, and I will, look at this, guys. I wanted to show you. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is a those sticks that I'm obsessed with, but in a highlighter, and I already put it on my arm. I was just wanting to show you that highlight shimmer. It's a shimmer highlight. Oh my god. That's one swipe. It's crazy. Those sticks are just so amazing. They just truly melt into your skin. And so this is the other one I've been using is a blush, and it's stunning. And then now this is the highlighter. So this is my first time trying the highlighter. It's just insane. It's so creamy, and they're $8. I mean, I think even the other day they were on sale. They were even on sale, I think so. And then definitely use my code 5Allegra and you'll get $5 off. So like I said, I'm gonna have lots of videos soon to show you, but I'll be back tomorrow, guys, and I'll show you another giveaway, and I'll announce some winners. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys, Makeup by Grace did win. I'm sorry, Makeup by Grace did win the gift card giveaway, and Makeup by Shay won a gift card giveaway. So congratulations, beauties. I'll be back tomorrow with more.